Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daydread. Charly Black gives us no excuses. The diamond-selling artist Charly Black on Friday released his latest project titled No Excuses. The album features dancehall superstar Sean Paul and sprint legend Usain Bolt on Turn It Up. Charly spoke to E-Prime on working with Sean and Usain.
Yeah, well, this is the second time I'm working with Usain Bolt on his production 18. Big up 18 family. Actually, they sent me a rhythm from last year and I just decided that I never really wanted to I wanted the song from my album come from a hear the rhythm. I say, yo, a long time Jamaica not hear a rhythm like this. You know what I mean? Because most of what coming out of Jamaica right now is mostly chopper or whatever they're calling it now. So this rhythm is like a nice summer vibe and it bring back a whole vibe. You know, so when first time I hear the rhythm, I say, yo, this bad. But me now just voice it like this. Sean was on tour. You see, I never even know that I was doing a song with Sean Paul. I just created everything. You see me, when I was in the studio, me call him and say, yo, you know, sir, Sean I do the song with. But eventually, it was a bad time as well because Usain was going through a situation with the bank people. You know what I mean? But when I get this song, it actually cheer them up in many little ways.
No Excuses is fully star-studded with Bound to Kill and Beenie Man plus others. Charly says the project is 2 years in the making.
These collaborations are something that I've always wanted to do because at the end of the day, a long time I Killer for do a song, a long time I Beenie Man for do a song. The artist Techno is an Afrobeat artist from Nigeria. Me and him has been friends for quite a while and this song is like a 3.5-year-old song. I've just never really put it out. Tamika Marshall on the other hand is the youngest artist on the album. This song would be on Richie Spice now. It's just a song that came out of the blues that was happening. Richie trust me for writing a song and I just put it together and him like it and him voice it, isn't it?
The 15-track album, distributed by 1RPM, also has an impressive list of producers and sees our very own Arif Cooper on the closing track, Persuasion. Charly Black also gave fans an acoustic version of his mega hit, Gal Your Party Animal. Local film makes history at the Oscars. For the first time in history, a Jamaican film has qualified for an Oscar nomination. In an interview with The Gleaner, director Socia Nixon, head of film and television at Icon Media, says it has still not set in that their short film, which he says was done to test the waters, is going down in Jamaica's history for film and television. The short film Raw Materials was screened at the Palace Cineplex last September and has been the winner of 10 international film competitions. Raw Materials is described as a coming-of-age drama about a fashion prodigy who has to navigate his abusive community to embrace his talent and find himself and accept himself for who he is. And E-Prime would like to thank the public for your messages of condolences on the passing of Arif Cooper.